Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clemente Gomez, and today guys I want to give you 5 tips how to make money with your photography. Alright, let's do this. I will give you the first tip is post on Facebook and Instagram a lot, guys. You need to post like crazy, like at least 3 times a day. Put a photo in the morning, put another photo in the afternoon, and then put another photo at nighttime. People are looking for a photographer during those hours, and you don't know when anybody can find your work. So post at least 3 times a day on Instagram, 3 times a day on Facebook. You guys can use Facebook ads. They don't cost that much. You can start with $20, $30, and you're gonna reach to a couple thousands of people. Sometimes you need to invest when you started at the beginning, so people can get to know your name. Another thing you guys can do the same thing with Instagram ads. You guys can pay for Instagram ads, and people gonna search and see your name in there. Another thing you guys can do is Facebook groups. You guys can put Facebook groups is always people looking for photographer, guys. There's thousands of people on Facebook groups. One of them you could have 100,000 members, 50,000 members, and that's 50,000 members potential clients that can hire you to book you for your next gig. I would say another thing you guys can do is send PMs on your Facebook. If you have 2 accounts, right? If you have one for personal use and you have one for your business, the one that has the personal one, send a bunch of PMs to people. Be like, hey, listen, how you doing? My name is Fulanito. My name is this. I would like to work with you. How can we get together and this and that? And I'm offering a great service. Whatever. Send PMs to people. Talk to people. Don't be shy. You need to be a people person on Facebook, on social media, on Instagram, anywhere, guys. So don't be shy and talk to anybody out there so you guys can make money. It's about talking. It's about showing that what you're doing. It's not only about taking great photos. You can take the most beautiful photos, but if nobody knows your name, nobody knows who you are, trust me, guys, you ain't gonna make money. So you need to put your name out there. You need to talk to people and don't be shy. All right. I would say tip number 2 is do Google ads. Okay, you can start sometimes cheap, $150 a month, $200 a month, $100 a month. It's what whatever budget you guys have. Personally, I think with Google, the best way to go is at least $400-$500 a month. That's the way to really see the income in there, because Google ain't cheap. Google costs a lot of money, but you can start, like I say, you can start with $150 or $300 or $500 at least to get some kind of putting your name out there and kind of some kind of clients. So you guys can do Google ads. Also, you can do a blog on your website, and it's gonna help you to rank your website on Google and the Google search or the SEO of Google. You need to register your business on Google so people can find you on the map of Google on your local area. A lot of people don't talk about this, but when you start at the beginning, sometimes people don't know nothing about this. You need to register your business on your Google, because when people searching, let's say people searching for a photographer in New York City, they can find your name faster, especially in your local area. If you live in Queens, if you search for a photographer in Queens, you can find the name of the person. So yes, register your business on Google. Another thing, you guys, another tip, the tip number 3, I would say, is becomes friends with vendors, guys. Every time you guys go to weddings, make sure to talk to vendors. Don't be shy. Talk to the vendors. Be like, hey, listen, I'm a photographer. I would like to talk to you. I'm the photographer for tonight. Hey, how can we make business together? And you become friends with them. You can make them maybe in exchange of them send you a client. You can do a free photo shoot for them, or they can you can give them a commission or something like that. So it's about talking to people and become friends with them, because they can help you, you help them, and they'll we help each other out. So that's the way I think is one of the key to be successful in photography. You need to talk to vendors. Don't be shy. It could be the flower lady, the one that do the decoration. It could be a party rental. It could be a DJ. It could be the makeup artist. It could be the limo company. It could be anybody, guys. So become friends with vendors. They will refer you clients, and you refer them, and you guys help each other out. You can do a list at your home of your favorite vendors, and they can do the same thing, and then you guys They send you clients, you send them clients, and at the end of the day, everybody's happy, everybody's making money. Become friends with vendors. All right. I would say tip number 4: don't be shy to offer your service on other companies. It could be, I say, like a limo company. It could be a barber shop. It could be a beauty salon. It could be a car dealership. It could be anybody like that that looking for a photographer. And like if you go to a yoga company, like people who does yoga, right? You can talk to them and be like, listen, I can take pictures for your yoga classes. They're looking for a photographer, or they're looking for a videographer. You can go to a car dealership and pass some business cards and be like, hey, listen, I do headshots. If you guys need headshot for your car dealership here, for all your employees, I can do this. Think about it. If you do 20 employees and you charge the company $100 per person, that's $2,000 that you make in one day. So I don't think that's bad at all, right? Another thing you guys can do is go to, I would say, corporates. Corporates, they're looking for a photographer all the time. They need headshots, but not only headshots, they throw parties, especially on Christmas. So you can be booking on Christmas. Christmas for photographer usually gets low, and you can guys be doing corporate parties on Christmas. Make a lot of money on Christmas. Everybody needs money on Christmas, right? You need to buy a gift. All right, so I would say tip number 5, and this tip, a lot of people say that it's not worth it to do it. There's the internet right now. Everybody's using the Facebook. Yes, everybody's using Facebook. Everybody's using Instagram. That's the tip number 1 that I give you. But on the tip number 5, I would say pass some business cards. You guys need to pass some business cards, and maybe why not even some flyers. You guys can send some flyers to people's homes. People can't even check it out. You spend $500 sending some flyers to people's homes. And if you get a booking for a wedding of $4,000 and you spend $500, pass some business cards on lawyer offices. Why? Because lawyers probably need a headshot, or somebody at the lawyer office is getting married, or they're throwing a party or something like that. Guys, you don't know where your client is. Okay, you need to find a way to market yourself so you can get clients. This is the tips that I'm giving you in this video, so you guys can make it happen and make a lot of money. Okay. So if you guys have any questions about photography, anything you guys want me to talk about, please leave me a comment in this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you know when I'm putting a new video out, and see you in the next video. Peace.